What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Got something to show ya. What's in this box? Dun dun dun! That's right, a new hood vent grill. Today's video is going to be how to replace your hood vent grill on your Mustang. This would be for most 99 to 04 Mustangs. Let's jump in it. Okay, first you're going to want to remove your windshield wiper arms. You're going to pull this little clip out. I need two hands. There you go. Got that first one off. Let's move on over to the second one. There we go. You got the second one off. Now you're going to want to pop your hood. After you got your wiper arms off, go ahead and pop your hood up and remove this rubber seal that is for the hood. It'll just pull right up. Mine's a little stuck. Ugh, got it. So let me actually face it the same way I just took it off the car. That way I know. I'll try to do that. There's usually three little push tab locks on here. There'd be one there, and one down there. Mine obviously has screws in them, so I'm going to remove that screw and that screw. This one doesn't have nothing in it. I thought they were screws from the way they were, but they're actually clips. So you just split them, put a flat tip in between them, and pull it up, and then it'll pop right out. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop off. There's 6 clips that's underneath here. You're going to just pull it up. Now obviously my whole one is cracked and damaged pretty bad, so it might have to come off in pieces. Okay, I think that's it for the most part. Just remove it. Oh yeah, it's falling apart. Actually, don't forget. Oh, that broke. Don't forget the washer fluid hoses that are connected. Here's a piece. Another piece. Let's get this windshield washer hose off. I'll just break it right off. Junk. Now they say from your old one to take off the 6 clips. I can only find 3 of the clips. I don't know where the other 3 are at. So they probably broke off and fell off at some point in time. I got one piece sitting over there. Then here's the other piece. It's a 2-piece set. And here's the seal that goes against the window. And that's some tape right there. This is like almost like a 3M double-sided tape. It's a little sticky, but not real sticky. And you can see where it goes along right here, and it had fallen off in the process. Right here is the lip where you start it, so it's pretty simple. I've been letting it sit out here in the sun, especially on my toolboxes. My toolbox is like 120 degrees. So that way it's more flexible. It's easier because this goes a little bit this way, as you can see, and it's opposite of the curve of this, which is fine because I went over on this one, and this one was kind of off too, and I reset the whole thing on. Now when you're putting it on, you want to squeeze it real tight. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on, and we're going to get ready to mount it on the car. Okay, I've already done on that side, but take your little windshield washer fluid nozzle sprayer thing, and you can go ahead and pop them inside the little inserts where they go. I already did that one. I just got to hook the hose back up to it. I'm going to set this one right here. So that one's already in. There's the hose. Kind of got it preset in there. This one's going to lay underneath, and the other one's going to lay on top of it. So I'm going to get that one all set up first. Just slides right in. You just got to get the little rubber things around the hinges for the hood. And that piece I got on, that was the one that was just sitting out there. So it works. And this one comes with all the new clips, so you don't have to worry about it. And then it comes with some of these too. Okay, I got that side in for the most part. It's not too bad. See how this next side comes. There's a little more pain in the butt than I thought. Alright, it got on pretty decent. Not too bad. This definitely didn't stick that well. And also, there's a gap here. I don't like it. So eventually, I'm trying to get the car ready for tonight because I'm going out. But eventually what I'll probably do is I'll probably take the old strip off of this one and just clean it up and glue it onto that 2-piece. And that'll probably be a little nicer. But for now, at least it's not all cracked up and looks halfway decent, which it'll work. So I'm going to just go ahead and install the wipers. Okay, got the wiper. Make sure it's down all the way. And then make sure that clips in, and it's not going nowhere. Clips are a little bent. Well, I didn't stick it on the right spot. You see that? You want to make sure you line it up to where it originally sits. And I put it a little down on that. Right about there is where I want it to sit, so you can pre-look at it, hold it in place, pop this back, and then go ahead and slide it on. Much better. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick. There you have it. That's how to replace your hood vent grill for your 99 to 2004 Ford Mustang. Pretty simple. Just take your time. That way you don't break nothing. If you do want to get this one, I know it's not 100% perfect, but it is on a cheap end. So if you want to get this one, I'll put a link down below of where to get it, or you can spend a little more money and buy one from American Muscle or something like that. Looks pretty good though. I'm not gonna complain. Better than a broken up piece of junk one. I hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Till next time. Peace.